Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 13. Lucky day 13. I think I'm going to have a big roll in the back daily roll for my $1,000 video. No, my 1,000th video, but my $1,000 savings challenge I created that is free on my Ko-fi. So I am bringing $10 to $12 a day. Today I brought 12, so we have $12. I have $6 for my regular dailies, and then we have up to $6 that we're going to put in here. So let's roll my D6. I'm going to roll my honey die. We got 4. That's pretty good. All right, so I'm going to put this 5 back and take a 1. So that means we should have $8 here. Let me color in a circle to represent doing a day. Day 13. There's 31 circles on here. Okay, so now we can put this back in here. All right, so we just need $2 worth of 50 cents. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. That helps me distinguish between our daily $6 worth, which are all in quarters. So it's 50, 50, 50, and 50. That works. All right, so we're going to stick those there. Let's double check that this is $8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was awkward. All right, $8 going into our bank. We've already exchanged it for the prop coins, and we are starting at envelope number 1. All right, move our die away. We have our yellow D3. So let's see what we got. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. Oh, 1 for 3. 1 and 2. 1 for 5. 1, 2, 3 for number 6. 1 for 1. Ooh, 3 for 2. Big roll. 3 for 3. 1 for 4. 1 for 5. 1 for 6, and we get to do it all over again. 1 for 1. 1, 2, 3 for number 2. 1 and 2 for 3. We have 2 left. 1 for 4, and then we'll put 1 for 5, and we will start on 6 tomorrow. And these adorable prop coins and dashboards are from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. You can find it on her Etsy. I will have it linked. Okay, so let's see. Number 1, we have 25, 25, and 25. So 75 cents going to this itty bitty one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. It's a little pool. So we can do 3 more squares. I'm impressed with the pen and gear working on lamination. Not bad. Not bad for a box of markers for 50 cents, that's for sure. I will also have those linked. Okay, so number 2, let's see if we got any 50 cents. We got 1. Okay, so we have 50, 25, $1, and then 25, 50, 75, $1. So $2.25 going into number 2. This is from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. Repeat customer freebie. So $2.25. So 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $2.25. So we are 50 cents away from completing this one. Maybe tomorrow. All right, 25 and 50, and then number 3. got all 25, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25 and 50. We have the Great White Couch from Dough and Discipline. So we have $1.50, so 25, 50, 75, $1, and 25, 50. Go back into number 3. All right, number 4, we have 50 and then 25, 25. So $1.25 going into number 4. We got this itty bitty one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. Look how cute that turned out. Okay, and it matches the color scheme. All right, number 5, we have 50, 25, 25. So $1 going into number 5. Oh my goodness, we finished it. We finished the Star Wars one from SW Fanatic Saves. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. We can do 25 here and 50 there, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. And this is just going to the biz. We need a new one. I did not refill the queue like I thought I would. Let's do this one from Cynthia Budgets, Home Savings. So we'll put this here. Number 5 is biz. So we can just deal with that next time. So number 6 got 50, 25, and 25. So $1.25. This is from Candy at Stuff and Budget. So we can do another 5 circles. All right, so that is $1.25 being added to that. All right, so let's see, we should have $2, so 51, 52, perfect. And we finished one, that's exciting, I did not see that coming. All right, the rest of our coins go in here. And we need $6 for the biz. So 5 and 1. So I am going to go ahead and just put this back into completed, because I know we're going to put it into the business binder. Grab that from the side. And I think I'm going to put it in, yeah, shipping and postage. Granted, this wouldn't even cover one of my shippings, but we're still going to put it in there. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Yay, we finished one on day 13. That's awesome. I hope you can come back tomorrow and join me and have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. Bye.